Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is Christmas Eve, so we are about to get into a video. Oh my god, I got these AirPods in because I am currently on Clubhouse. If you guys already know, Clubhouse is like the new thing right now, so I'm trying to multitask, do a Clubhouse, do a YouTube video, everything, whatever. So guys, I know it's been a while since I dropped the video, but I just really wanted to get this video out for you guys before Christmas came, and here I am. I've been thinking about this video for a little while. Do you guys see my little look at the headband, the pajamas? Yeah, that's a look. But yeah, so today, in today's video, I am going to be making and teaching you guys how to make spiked hot chocolate. I went to this event earlier in the month, and I actually vlogged it. It was a part of my Vlogmas day one. I went to a Christmas light show, and I had a spiked hot chocolate, and I just gotta show you guys how I make it because I've been drinking it throughout the month, and I just feel like it's such a vibe. So yeah, we're about to get into this video, and we're about to make some spiked hot chocolate. So I'm gonna let you guys know my ingredients, which are actually right there, and yeah, we're about to be lit. So without further ado, let's get into this video. But first, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. You know, 2021, we're going up, more videos on the way. You know, 2020 is when I really got into my YouTube journey for real. I kind of tried, but 2021, we going up. But yeah, let's get into this video. So first things first, I have all my ingredients here. My angle sucks, but I'm gonna show y'all. I have the Jet Puff mini marshmallows, because who doesn't like hot chocolate with marshmallows? I have my Swiss Miss hot chocolate mix. You know, don't judge me if you guys don't use this, but honestly, I didn't feel like making hot chocolate from scratch. So if I want something quick, this is what I use. And of course, we have to have our Irish cream Baileys, okay? Listen, this is gonna make the drink really come to life. And of course, we gotta top it up with some whipped cream. Sugar is not really necessary because everything's already so sweet, but you could add sugar to taste if you feel like this is not enough for you. But these are the 4 main ingredients that you will need for this recipe. First things first, I'm going to get some, oh yes, wait, I'm bugging. Of course I gotta get some milk, because you know, what is hot chocolate without the milk, right? So the milk that I use is a Lactaid. I am lactose intolerant, and this is the milk that I use. Sometimes I drink almond milk as well too, but I've been actually drinking this a lot, like since I was like in high school, so I just keep drinking this. So yeah, this is the milk that I'll be using. Don't judge my milk. I know everybody's a big non-dairy this, non-dairy that. This is what I drink, so don't even come for me in the comments. But if you have any suggestions on milk for people that's lactose, drop that below right now. So first I'm going to get my, I don't know what I'm gonna call this, but I boil hot water in this for my tea. So I'm gonna actually put the milk in here and bring it to a boil, so that way it's nice and hot, and then we're gonna get into the hot chocolate. So let me move everything to the side. So this is the kettle. I'm gonna actually just turn on my stove so I can start getting warm. I have an electric stove, so it takes a little while to actually, you know, heat up. I'm gonna get off Clubhouse for a little while because I need to focus on this video for you guys, but Clubhouse is addicting. I'm not even gonna cap to y'all. So anyway, here it is. I'm just gonna start by putting, I'm only making it for one person and I don't measure, so I'm not even about to sit here and say, oh, put a cup. No, we're not even doing all that. Just measure with your eyes, baby. Nah, let me stop. I'm gonna be professional for you guys, so I'm gonna get me a measuring cup. Hold on. I got a measuring cup. Okay, got a measuring cup. So I'm gonna put, there's 2 cups of milk. That should be good. So here we go. 2 cups of milk. Well, I really only need 1 cup because it's just me, but I'm gonna put 1.5, okay? So this is 1.5 cups of milk. Y'all see this? Just gonna pour that in there. So yeah, once that's poured in, I'm going to add my milk to the stove. And then we're gonna wait for that milk to come to a boil. And once that comes to a boil, it's hot. So then we're gonna have to add our Swiss Miss hot chocolate once that starts boiling. So I love marshmallows in my hot chocolate. Obviously, you guys still have the Swiss Miss marshmallow box for the marshmallow lovers. It's not the regular marshmallow hot chocolate, it's the marshmallow lovers. So I already got that. I'm actually gonna use like 1.5 of these, so I'm gonna get into that in a second. And on top of that, I got the Jet Puff marshmallows. Oh my god. This is about to be so good. So I already took out my hot chocolate packet. I'm gonna put this to the side because I'm not gonna need this. And then, yeah. So while I wait for the hot chocolate to boil, I'm just gonna talk to you guys because honestly, you know, it's been a long couple of days. You know, obviously you guys see that I quit Vlogmas, and I just want to explain to you guys why, because I feel like I owe you guys an explanation. Sorry. First things first, I started Vlogmas December 1st. Did it December 1st, did it December 2nd. And I just could not stay consistent with it, all because of things that transpired as far as Black Friday and Cyber Monday with my businesses. I had so many orders to send out that I just had to focus and just choose one or the other. Like I had to pick, all right, am I gonna send out these orders from these customers that have paid me, or am I gonna make these YouTube videos? And I also want to let you guys know too, although I was approved to get monetized on my YouTube channel, I think in July, I just got my AdSense pin yesterday, literally. So it was a whole process with that. Like, not that I don't enjoy making YouTube videos, but I'm such a busy person that I really don't have time to be doing stuff as leisure. Like, I didn't have time to just be doing YouTube because I enjoy doing YouTube videos, even though I do, but I have to put my business first. So now that your girl is approved for her checks and the checks is coming in now, y'all will be seeing my face a lot more, because I look at YouTube as a job. I do enjoy doing it, but you know, we gotta secure the bag too. Hold it. It's getting hot. It's a little sound. Y'all can hear that? Yeah, so that means it's getting hot. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know I will be on YouTube, staying consistent and all those good things. I'm gonna actually get my mug so you could just move on with this. So I'm gonna be using my Girl Power mug. This is the mug I'm using. This is a big mug. Oh my god, it's about to be lit. Okay, the smoke seems like it's hot. We're just gonna boil it for a little bit longer just so it could be real hot. And then we're gonna start adding all of our ingredients, and then we're gonna be lit. Now that my milk is nice and hot, that took about literally like 2 minutes, literally. So do you guys see the steam? It needs to be steaming like this, okay? If it's not hot like this, whew, oh, okay. If it's not hot like this, it's not hot chocolate. So you guys see the milk going in there. All right, actually the 1.5 cups was actually perfect. I need to just get the rest of that milk in there. All right, that was actually perfect. I thought that would be too much, but it only took up like literally half of this cup. But I'm gonna get like a shot glass so I can measure the daily. All right, so I had to change the angle so you guys can see what I'm doing. But first things first, we're gonna put in our Swiss Miss hot chocolate. Oh, so you see how I told you guys I was gonna take 1.5 packs of these? 1 pack is the hot chocolate and 1 pack is the marshmallow. So I gotta get another one of the hot chocolate mixes too, so that it can be perfect. You See, that's why it's so important to read, because I would have just been doing my own little thing. I'm just gonna take the hot chocolate mix and just throw that in there. I like my hot chocolate to be very, very chocolatey, okay? Very chocolatey. Now I'm gonna take another one and basically also just throw half of it in. Not like half, but just, you know, a good amount. Get that in there, a little more. I'm just gonna stir that. So once that's in, stir it up. Once we stir that all up, I like to taste it to make sure everything is, like, you know, coming together good. Perfect. Okay, so now that is where I want it to be, I'm gonna go in with the Baileys, and I like to put a shot of it. So if you don't, first you gotta shake it up. If you don't have a shot cup, or like a shot measurer, I don't know what you guys will call it, you could just, you know, measure to your liking, you know. So I just fill this up, just like that. Oh, and then I just want to throw it in there. Okay, now once the liquor is in it, that's considered spiked. So the term spiked just comes from adding liquor to the hot chocolate. All right, now we're gonna mix that in. This is so easy, guys. Like, listen, I'm not even teaching y'all nothing. Like, I'm just doing something at this point. So once that's in, we're gonna add the marshmallows that come with the Swiss Miss hot chocolate. I'm just gonna add that in. These marshmallows are so crunchy. I don't even like them, but I like when they just melt down. It's really good. All right, once that's added, we're gonna go in with the real deal marshmallows, okay? So I like to be generous because I like a lot of marshmallows. I'm just gonna throw a couple of them in there. And then once the marshmallows are in, we gotta add the whipped cream. Guys, this is like diabetes in a cup at this point, honestly. So this is the spiked hot chocolate, perfect for the holidays, guys. Okay, I'm about to taste it. Are you guys ready? All right, so I'm about to get into this hot chocolate. I don't know how y'all eat it, but oh my god. All right, guys, so my hot chocolate is done, and I'm about to taste it. I put so much whipped cream and so much sugar, guys. Be easy. That's why I said don't add no sugar, because yep, that's it. Now this is like so sweet, but it's so good. Like, and you definitely, when you add the shot, you taste the liquor. This is so good. Like, I really hope you guys really try this. Like, it's easy. It literally takes like 3 minutes. I just dragged it out because it's a video, but it takes like 3 minutes. Not even, I'm lying. It takes 3 minutes to boil the milk, so less than 10 minutes, but it's really good. Get you right for the holidays. If you have some friends over for Christmas, family, enjoy some movies, drink your hot chocolate, spiked hot chocolate. Nobody gotta know you added a little something into your drink, but it's so good. You guys gotta let me know if you try this, because it's so good. Like, if you have a sweet tooth like me, I'm telling you. But I definitely did put a lot of whipped cream though. So weird. But you know what I like to do? I like to mix the whipped cream into the hot chocolate. I just mix everything together. Oh yeah, it's lit after that. But thank you guys for tuning into this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little quick how to make spiked hot chocolate video. Like I told you guys before, I'm coming to you guys 2021, more videos, more content. It's not a game anymore. If you guys have any videos that you guys want to see me make, please drop some ideas below for me, or let me know what you guys want to see from me coming in the new year. I hope you guys all enjoy your Christmas and spend it with family and the people that matter. And have a happy new year, guys. It's been a long year, so I'm happy that we all got this far, and I'm wishing you guys nothing but blessings in the new year. I'm excited for the new year. I think I'm also nervous at the same time because, like I said, 2020 has been a rough one. So like I said, we are all blessed to make it here. And if you made it to the end of this video, I want you guys to comment something at the end. If you made it to the end of this video, comment baby hairs. Yeah, because the baby hairs is lit right now. So yes, if you made it to the end of this video, comment baby hairs to let me know that you guys made it to the end, and let me know that you liked this video by leaving me a thumbs up. Also be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks again. Later.